Unleash spells to transform the game. Attack! Defend! Trick! Master them all.
Hey everyone, I've got something exciting to share, especially if you're into chess or little competition. There's an upcoming tournament in AniChess, and it's open to all, whether you're part of a guild, a community group, or in school. There's a spot for you. The tournament has an open invite, so anyone from the community or guild can sign up. For all the students out there, this is your chance to show off your chess skills. And the best part, the matches are already scheduled for the open invite. The games will take place on April 12, 26, and May 10. And for the interschool, April 19, May 3, and May 17. The grand finals will be held on May 24 and May 31. Now, let's talk about the prize pool. It's pretty impressive. We're talking about a total of 100,000 pesos. Each weekly winner will take home 10,000 pesos and the final winner will grab 20,000 pesos. If this sounds like your thing, I'll be posting the pre-registration forms below. Don't miss out and I hope to see you there. Goodbye.